like a Hellcat.
Welcome back to my channel, and thank all of you about subscribe. And if you are not to this channel, please subscribe and click the arrow bell to be notified when I upload a video. So yesterday we start a new topic, like it was how to change a mixed fraction to a improper fraction. So today we are going to learn how to add the mixed fraction. So yeah, let's go into this video. So if it's like add 3½ plus 4½, no, yeah, 4½. So you remember the formula, which was denominator, which is this one, multiplied by a whole number, which is the big number, and then you add the numerator, which is the small number up. So, and then out of the denominator. So we are gonna use that formula, but we are not gonna show it, so we must use it in our brain. So yeah, no, we must show it, like we must put 2 times 3, add 1 out of 2. So you see, denominator, which is 2, add multiply it, and you multiply it with 3, and then you add 1, which is the numerator. So that, and the same thing, the same formula, that one. So when you multiply this one, it will be 6, and then plus 1 out of 2, this one out of 8 plus 1 out of 2. So it's 7 out of 2 plus 9 out of 2. So they have the same denominator, so the answer would have the same one. And when you add 7 and 9, it will be 16, because yeah, it will be 16, and it will be, the answer will be 16 over 2. So the answer will be 16 over 2, and you can reduce it. It will be, if you reduce it, it will be 8. So the real answer is 8. So yeah, the real answer is 8. You must reduce it. So I'm gonna show you how to reduce it. No, I'll do it on another video. Yeah, but you must divide the number on the top by the number on the bottom. So the answer was 16 over 2. So we must divide 2 by 16, and when you divide, you put it on a line like that, it's 8. So the answer was 8 on the question. So the answer was 8. The answer was 8. So if a question has like the same denominator, what you must do is, like, the answer must also have the same one. So yeah, so if a question it has like 3, you notice that I'm not doing subtraction and addition, because like my series have been short when I'm combining the operation, and it's mostly not good, and I make short videos, and yeah, it doesn't work well. So this will be something like long. So if it's like, let me say, like I'm just making this question from my brain, like 5, a third, like that. So you must use the formula, which is denominator multiplied by the whole number, which is 4, and then you add the numerator, which is 1, and all of it is out of 3, which is the denominator. And when you do it on the other side too, the denominator multiplied by the whole number, and then you add the numerator. So yeah, that will be 12. Then you add 1, 3, then add this will be 15, like that. So it will be 13 out of 3. You add 16 out of 3. So when you add this together, it will be 29 out of 3. So you notice that you can't, I don't know, but I think you can, but you can't. Yeah, you can. So the answer will be that 29 out of, unless you divide it in a long way, you will get a decimal, and I don't know if for real you'll get a decimal. And I think in fraction the answer must not be a decimal, it must be a fraction. No, it can be a decimal too. So yeah, because like when you change a decimal it becomes a fraction, and when you change a fraction it can become a decimal. So it can be possible, but I don't know how. Like, so let's do some long math. It was 29 out of like 3. So 3 divided by 29, it will be 9, and there will be remainders, and when you multiply 9 by 3 it will be 27, and here it was 0, and here it will be 2. No, it will be 2, and you can't divide 2 by, it will be just, so you put a point here, and then you put a 0 here, and it will be 20. When you divide it by that, it will be, the answer here it will be 6. 6 times it will be 18, 2. So the answer will be 9.6 continuously, because like I did the math, and if it's free to be 18, 2 again, you put a 0, and when you do, no, it will be 0.6 like that continuously. So yeah, to be like that, 0.6 continuously. Yeah. So let's go back to the business of like doing the mixed fraction. So when it's like 2 2/4, and you add 5. Why do I like 5 a lot? I don't know. So if it's like 4 multiplied by 2, and then you add 1 out of 4, and then you add 4 times 5, and add 1 out of 4. So the answer, you can in math. So in grade 8, no. So in math, like mostly in grade 8, you must put the work like in a line that you, when you put the equal sign here, it will confuse you, and you like miss a lot of like work. So if it's like that, 8 plus 1 out of 4, it will be here, it will be 20 plus 1 out of 4. So it will be 9 out of 4, and 21 out of 4. So now when you add it, it will be, you guessed it, 30 out of 4. So this can be divided by 2. Like when you divide here by 2, it will be 2, and when you divide here by 2, it will be 15. So when you reduce it, it will be 15 out of 2. So yeah, I'll talk this how to reduce in another video, but not now. So yeah. how to reduce in another video. Yeah, in another video. Yeah, so yeah, let's still go with this, and we have hidden. So I want to thank all of you who stick around until the end. I really appreciate it when you like review my videos, because like yeah, so yeah, if you're not to this channel, just please subscribe and click the little bell to be notified when I upload a video. And if you like the video, please comment down in the comment section below. So thank you.